Hi everybody, I'm Danny Dancer. I'm the Kidtropolis educator here at Children's Museum Houston, and I am coming to you from our Junction hallway where we are making ice cream garland. So we recently celebrated National Ice Cream Day, but you know what? Any day can be ice cream day, I think. So I'm going to show you how you can do this same craft activity at home. You will need some different colors construction paper. This will be your ice cream. Now here we have printed out, and it's kind of light, it might be a little hard to see, but we've printed out sort of an ice cream scoop, but you can just draw one of these at home. It's pretty simple. We just have a loop at the top and then a couple of cloud-like swirls down at the bottom. You will also need your ice cream cones, and again, this is a pretty simple one to draw on your own. Just make a rectangle and then have a triangle coming off of that. I'm going to make 3 separate ice cream cones, and then I'm going to string them together. My ice cream cones, I printed on kind of a manila cardstock, but you can use brown paper or just white paper that you can color. Speaking of which, you will need some markers, crayons, or colored pencils. You will need scissors and glue to attach your ice cream to your cones, and then you will need a hole punch and some yarn or string, something that you can use to actually tie your different ice cream cones together. So your first step, once you have drawn your different ice cream flavors, is to cut them out. Okay, I've cut out all of my ice cream, and I've also added a little marker just to give it some outline so that you can see it a little bit better. If you want, you can also add some toppings, like you might add some hot fudge, or you could add some sprinkles to your ice cream. Totally up to you. Next, we need to do the same thing with our cones. I'm going to cut these out, and if you want to use your markers to add some texture or patterns, go ahead and do that. All right, I have all of my cones done. I did go ahead and add some different patterns here. We also have some friends who are joining us at our junction table, also working on their ice cream cone garland. So we have Jack. Jack, say hi, how's it going? He's very focused, he's cutting things out. And we have Carson, and we have Leia. We also have our friend Ryder over here across the way working on his ice cream cone garland. If we want, we could make these all into one big long garland when we're done. Who will know? But in the meantime, your next step, you got your ice cream, you got your cone, we just got to put them together. You can use glue, you can use tape, whatever you have available. After you've done that step with all 3 of your cones, take your hole punch, and we're just going to make a little punch on either side towards the top, just like this. That way we will be able to string them all together with our yarn when we are done. I'll show you what it looks like. And we're done. This is what it looks like when it is all done. You can do whatever you want with this. You could hang it up like on your mirror at home. You could, as my friend Jack suggests, you could wear it as a necklace, which I think looks pretty amazing. Jack, what do you think? Wait, here we go. Necklace, there we go. Good, I got the seal of approval. I'm gonna wear this now. Thanks very much everybody for joining us for our ice cream garland / necklaces. We hope you're having a great summer. We'll see you all soon. Bye.